if you guys have your credit score in like the 580, the 620s, then I think that you probably should still start with just basic cards. I think you should try to pre-qualify for credit cards with Capital One, Discover, and you can also try to pre-qualify for credit cards to Navy Federal. You could try other credit cards like Mission Lane, the Prosper card. You can try those, but try to get one that's not going to have an annual fee. But that's like the best credit cards that you guys can apply for. Understand that you can pre-qualify for all of the credit cards I just told you, but when you apply for it, you get approved. They say, yes, I need your credit card. You're going to get a hard inquiry, but that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. You need these credit cards to start building your credit. Okay. You need them all. Now, some people like, you guys, I think we worry too much about these hard inquiries early on. Like, seriously. The only time you should be worrying too hard about hard inquiries if you're trying to get like funding or some type of business credit or something like that, because they're caring about those hard inquiries. When your credit score is in the 580s, like, you need to get a credit card. Don't nobody care about that hard inquiry. They care about the accounts that's probably bad on your credit reports that you need to remove. I don't think that they really care too much about those hard inquiries. But let's check out some of those accounts that I told you, because these accounts could be very, very good for you. And I actually think I have all of them. Let me see. Show you like the best credit cards to build credit. Or for just bad credit. Don't forget, some of these cards, you can pre-qualify for them without a hard inquiry, okay? But if you accept the offer, you guys, you're going to get a hard inquiry. Like, you're going to get a hard inquiry. So here it is right here, you guys. These are the best credit cards for bad credit. So we already got the Self. We talked about that before. I'm pretty sure you guys probably already heard about Self. If you haven't, this can be a great one for you. They can report an installment account to your credit reports, and this can help increase your credit score, especially if your credit score is under like the 620. Apply for it, because I know it can really help you increase your credit score. Also, if you have to get secure credit cards, check out the Credit Builder card. They allow you to have two. Get that kickoff account. They have an installment account just like the Self. Get that kickoff account, and then they have a $750 account that you can get where they'll report to the credit bureaus as if it's like a regular credit card, and you only have to pay $5 per month. So I suggest you get that. I've been seeing people pay this $20 per month for this $2,500 credit card, and I just don't see it. I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm cheap or what, but I just don't see you guys. I don't see the point of doing that. I just feel like that money, you should have just got you a secure credit card. Let that graduate. Like the Discover could graduate to a $2,500 credit card. You should have just got the $200 secure card or $1,000 secure card with Discover. Whatever you want to get you a secure card with Discover, whatever you want to put down, and let that graduate. But with that kickoff account, don't think you got to go too fancy with that $2,500, especially for the people that's just trying to get approved for a home. Like, you just really need to have your credit score there. They don't care that, oh, you only got a $500 credit card, you only got secure credit cards, we're not gonna give you no loan. They don't think like that, you guys. Okay. And here with that Discover Secure that I told you guys about, you can check out your Tumo card. I've been using my Tumo card. I've been racking up my percentage. So definitely check out the Tumo card. It's a great one for you. Keep this in mind though. When you're using your Tumo card, they're not going to look at your credit at all. They're going to look into your bank history. But when you're using this, they're going to need that money back that Sunday. Like if you use it like every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, they're going to ask for that money back that Sunday coming up. Okay. They're not going to let you hold a balance on this one. So don't go crazy with this one because you don't want to mess up your name or your bank account. Okay. The In Rewards is a secure credit card. If your credit score is low, I do suggest this one. It can really help you change your life. Just keep the balance low on it, and it should graduate to an unsecured account. You could just literally put $200 down. It can graduate to $2,000. If you want to check out the Prepaid One Visa card, I suggest this. Somebody said that they got approved for it on the channel for like $3,000 or something like that. So definitely check it out. It's no hard inquiry to pre-qualify for it. So definitely check it out.